The result of mechanical degree with regards to thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been extraordinary, particularly for digital currencies. The individuals who adjust to the quickly changing business sector climate, develop, and the people who neglect to coordinate speed with the feeling, die. Similar turns out as expected for some prominent digital currencies. One such name is SUSHISWAP. The ongoing business sector rank is number 128 on CoinMarketCap, making itself continually dependable and accessible at lower cost, improving the liquidity to the financial backers. Sushi, the local badge of SUSHISWAP, Sushi, has taken special care of the predictable ascent sought after of the financial backers. The advanced guide cut by Sushi for its clients has placed their power in the possession of financial backers, expanding the liquidity potential. Before we dive into the SUSHISWAP cost expectation, let us view a portion of the remarkable highlights of SUSHISWAP. Taking a gander at the steady upsurge in the cost of SUSHISWAP, it merits seeing how the value graph of SUSHISWAP has performed over years. Members benefit from the blockchain-empowered utilitarian benefits. SUSHISWAP works with gains, yet fabricates trust. SUSHISWAP's portion-empowered accommodation as well as supports confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, sending different decentralized app capabilities as powerhouses and naturally suspected pioneers. As per the specialized examination and Sushi coin cost expectation, by end of 2022, the cost of SUSHISWAP, Sushi, will be $4.41261 with hopefulness posing a potential threat in coming not many years. Time is ready to put resources into SUSHISWAP now. In view of the SUSHISWAP figure, the year 2022 may give a vertical push to SUSHISWAP, taking it to $11.370 temporarily. With a 5-year productive venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 347.36%. Your current $100 speculation choice might depend on $447.36 in 2027. As indicated by the most recent long-haul SUSHISWAP cost estimate, Sushi cost will hit $5.11 before the current year's over and afterward $5.62 toward the finish of 2023. The cost of SUSHISWAP will ascend to $11.35 inside the year 2031. As per Sushi cost forecast, SUSHISWAP cost ought to show an extraordinary potential and a value change should have been visible to $4 before the current year's over in positive circumstances. SUSHISWAP price prediction 2022. In any case, since the Sushi/USD cost ascend with an expansion in exchanging volume, somewhat keeping a low exchanging action may not be supportive of SUSHISWAP, as new coins cost are just added to the dissemination, weakening the stockpile. Seeing the 100% return as significant, there are skeptical opinions winning that diminish additional expectations of cost increment, pushing SUSHISWAP to $8.50 start of the year 2022. The typical cost could reach at $8.80 in 1 year. SUSHISWAP price prediction 2023. The capability of SUSHISWAP is additionally encouraged by the vigorous help region presented by well-off Chinese business people. Being discussed consistently, the costs of SUSHISWAP have shown dynamism and vacillation all the while. Consequently, taking the specialists' perspectives, Sushi value forecasts, and help from the proprietorship, the resource cost might flood by and by because of fastidious arranging methodology being vertically at $12 by 2023 end. SUSHISWAP, Sushi, price prediction 2024. A few specialists likewise contend that the group of SUSHISWAP misses the mark regarding a forceful organization binge which can be accomplished as future outcomes and somersaulting the whole chain of occasions for the token. A reassuring cost expectation conjecture for the later long periods of 2023 and 2025 demonstrates that the value change of Sushi/USD is ready for an astounding excursion, posting a development pace of 1,325.589% inside the following 5 years. The typical cost will reach to $11.90 in the year 2024. SUSHISWAP, Sushi, price prediction 2025. SUSHISWAP specialized examination and SUSHISWAP gauge likewise show markets will astound its fans by fixing the future cost at $16.80 by 2025. SUSHISWAP price prediction 2026. While the significant improvements have influenced the SUSHISWAP, sushi, cost pushing them in a positive heading, the cryptographic money market is by all accounts holding much more commitment in the years to come. The main obstacle in the method of the thriving of SUSHISWAP digital currency is gigantic reliability on decentralized applications at which the costs are absolutely subject to showcase development. The cost is anticipated to reach $17 in the drawn-out in the year 2026. Thus, it is a right venture counsel. As per the specialist's own examination, the sushi yield arrived at 1,500% in 1 year. The need to get sushi tokens to partake in the pool additionally checked positive cost change toward the start of the second quarter of 2021. Standing tall and firm around $3.53 of current cost with a market cap of $446,335,486.22, sushi is supposed to be bullish till this year end. At the hour of composing the SUSHISWAP cost forecast, the circling supply waits around 127,244,443 sushi, and the 24 hours cost change is practically 6.84%. SUSHISWAP, sushi, unlocking the potential. Sushi being liquidity in the possession of the financial backer is done full equity too. The whole foundation of sushi rotates around liquidity, and even more so when clients are not utilizing sushi. They can in any case profit from the fractional procuring receiving an attractive benefit. Is SUSHISWAP, sushi, a wise speculation? In view of SUSHISWAP cost expectations and in actuality yes. As per essentials of dependability and hearty openness of liquidity, sushi would end up being a trailblazer in the whole cryptographic money world. On a negative scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will without a doubt stand firm feet on the ground. Financial backers and brokers can begin exchanging and a decent return can be anticipated from this coin. Will SUSHISWAP coin cost reach $50? Outstanding or hazardous development? According to the momentary SUSHISWAP cost expectations, sushi coin cost might be a misrepresentation. Particularly on the grounds that because of pandemic a large portion of the cryptographic forms of money have endured a terrible shot. The equivalent is valid for SUSHISWAP as well. Be that as it may, the token has gigantic potential, thus the expansion in development is hopefully anticipated. Now that the pandemic is subsiding, it would constantly be incredible information for sushi holders as well, and it very well may be the most exorbitant cost. What are the sushi reward programs? These are the best icings to be delighted in with sushi.